YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here. So first I need to apologize. My allergies are going haywire. My ears are plugged. My nose is running. I'm stuffed up. It's allergy season here in Florida, so it is what it is. I have my oxygen on because I'm having a little trouble breathing with my nose being plugged up and my ears being clogged. And just having trouble breathing, so I am using my oxygen today because of that. But we have a special video today. I do have my hair covering on because I've been working on diamond painting, and I always cover my head when I work on my paintings to keep my hair from falling out all over the painting and getting stuck everywhere. So we have a couple things going on. First of all, the poll is officially over, and the clear winner of the poll for my next diamond painting is this one. So, yeah, you all chose the cardinal, and I am actually really excited to do this one. Looking at the pack of beads that came with it, it is going to be very pretty. I think the detail's going to be a lot more prettier than what the canvas shows, and I think the sparkle on it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited to work on that, and I'll show you the one I'm working on in a minute. It's huge. It's really hard to pick up. It is just humongous. It's hard to manhandle to try to pick up and show you guys. So I'll take you guys over to it, and I will show you what I'm working on. The main reason for today's video is I got my first Home Chef delivery box. It's a food service, and they have pre-made meals as well as meals that require just a little bit of prep work. So hold on, let me answer my phone. Okay, sorry about that. But yes, this was my first Home Chef delivery box. As I was saying, they have meals that are oven ready and meals that require just a little bit of prep work. So I decided to give them a try. Their meals come 2 meals per serving, so when I pull a meal out, I will be able to divide it into 2 dishes and get two meals for the price of one, because I just have to eat for myself. So yeah, I'll be able to get 2 meals out of one dinner. So I decided to do this instead of Meals on Wheels because they were going to charge me $6 per meal because I'm under 65, and I knew price-wise I could do better than that. So my box came this morning. It came right in the time frame that it was supposed to come. I will admit that it was a struggle for me to get it inside. It's very, very heavy. So yeah, I've been resting for a couple hours after getting it inside. It says that it comes packed in dry ice and insulation, so it supposedly could sit outside for up to 48 hours, probably not in the hot Florida sun, but otherwise it could sit outside for a while, so I felt comfortable once I got it inside to let it set while I rested and got my phone charged up so I could do this video. So I'm excited to unbox it and show you what I got for the week, and I'm excited to try this. So first let me show you the diamond painting I'm working on, and then I will get to the Home Chef unboxing. Alright, this is the diamond painting I'm working on. As you can see, it is absolutely huge. It's going to be beautiful when it's finished. I'll probably take a break from this in the next couple of days and start working on the cardinal, but yeah, that is what I have done so far. The sparkle on this is amazing, and yeah, it's gonna be really pretty when it's finished, but it is huge. As you can see, it pretty much takes up my whole dining room table. So yeah, it takes a lot to manhandle, and it's just really big and gorgeous. I love the pattern on it, and yeah, I'll be excited when this one gets done. And now for the unboxing. So here is the Home Chef box. As you can see, it's a pretty big box. And like I said, it's very, very heavy. And it says, "Someone's eating good tonight" on the top of the box. Alright, so let's get this cut open and see what's inside. Alright, as you can see, it's packed very well. It's all insulated, and it's got a cardboard over the top to kind of help things stay insulated. And here is what I have inside. So I have a quiche Lorraine, and it's got the heating instructions on it, and you just preheat the oven to 350. Remove all packaging and place on a sheet pan. Heat until product temperature reaches 165, approximately 25 minutes. Let it stand for 5 minutes and serve. And then it has microwave instructions as well. So yeah, I can cut this in half and get 2 servings out of this. So I will look forward to that. And then I have a chicken bacon ranch flatbread pizza. This looks really good. And I'm assuming with this, there's the cooking instructions. You preheat the oven to 400, remove from packaging, place on center rack of oven, and bake for 12 minutes. So this looks really, really good. I'm excited for that. And let's see, here is a bunch of veggies, I'm assuming for one of the meals. I will have to see what one that is for. Let's see. I'm hoping that everything is labeled so I know what goes on what. But yeah, this looks like that is all the veggies for one of the meals. There is another tray of, or bag of veggies. But yeah, so far everything looks really, this is for the broccoli cheddar stuffed chicken. And the other one is for chili maple mustard glazed pork meatballs. All right, what else do we have here? Let's see. This is for sage butter pork medallions. And it looks like there's some green beans and a shallot and butter and the sauce for the meatballs. So far I'm liking how everything is packaged. And this is the ice. It says kind of melted, but I did leave this sit for a while, but everything still feels nice and cold. And this is for Grandma's ketchup and brown sugar brisket. So that sounds really, really good. Let's see here. There's another cardboard here. Let's see what this is. Ground pork for the meatballs and the pork chops for the other meal. And let's see, what is this? This looks like it is for the beef brisket. And yeah, things are starting to thaw, but that's partly my fault because I did wait to unpack it. All right, so that is my meals for this week. And like I said, I can get 2 meals out of each thing, it looks like. I will probably do the pizza for tonight, and then I will get everything else in the fridge and the freezer. And I am excited to taste test all of this stuff for you guys. So yeah, that is my meal chef box for the week. The produce all looks nice and fresh. So I'm just really excited to try everything. And that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Let me know in the comments down below what you think so far of the Home Chef box. Like I said, a couple of the things did start to defrost, but again, that was my fault because I did let the box sit for several hours before I opened it, just because I was so worn out getting it in the house. So I know next time I can't leave it sit that long. I'm excited to try everything, and from what I've seen, everything looks nice and fresh, so I'll probably go through, and the veggies that last the least amount of time is probably what I will eat first. I'll do the flatbread pizza tonight. That looked really good. I like to do pizza on Friday nights anyway, so I will be letting you guys know what I think of that. But yeah, so far I'm impressed with what I saw. The veggies looked nice and fresh, and I'm just really excited to try the food, and I will let you guys know what I think. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think so far, how things were packaged. Like I said, it arrived when it was supposed to. Again, I would not leave it sit out very long if you're in a hot climate. If you live in one of the northern climates where it's a bit cooler, it would probably be fine to leave it sit out. But Yeah, it's really hot here today, so it would not have lasted more than a couple hours outside here in Florida. So just keep that in mind if you decide to order from them. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Home Chef. This is totally on my own thoughts, my own opinions. I am not getting paid by them to do this video. This is just something that I decided to do instead of Meals on Wheels because of the price of their meals versus the price of these meals. And yeah, I'm just really excited to try it. So let me know so far what you guys think. So I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back when I try the chicken ranch flatbread pizza. So yeah, that concludes this video. Be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.